Okay, this is my second video on the CR8 Sample Player by Waves. The first one was kind of an opening the box video, just seeing some of the basics of how it works. I've had a chance to explore a couple more things now. So in this session I'm just going to concentrate on what's down here and what these do. Let's just start by opening a sample. I think I've got this one ready already. Yeah, we'll use that one. Okay, so you've got a filter here, and you can manually adjust it, like so. There we go. But you've got these little section down here, which are kind of parameters, modulators, if you like. Now, when I first opened this, I opened one. I thought, oh, nothing's happening. But what you have to do, you have to drag one of these over. And at the minute, we can drag them to anything, to be honest. Drag it over to the cutoff in this example here, and if I just press my key now, nothing happens, which surprised me. Again, I thought, what am I doing wrong? Now, this is what you have to do. You've got a little marker here saying what modulator has been applied. You have to click on that, and then you drag it upwards to determine what percentage of modulation, if you like, it affects your controller by, like so. So that is going to affect it, I think, 100%. So that is going to have a 100% influence on this. So if I just put my key now, there you go. You can see the 100% because it's going all the way from 0 to the maximum up there. And if I just bring that down again, there we go. That's how you get it to work. Now, you've got different types of modulation here, and you can do let's have a look here. I'm going to draw one in, actually, I think. There we go. I think you can save them here. Now, another great feature of this is, let's just, you can double or quadruple up on your modulator. So I can add another modulator to the same one, like so. Again, I'm just going to build that up there. We're in M2 now. So that's going to lay this kind of triangular wave over my drawn triangular wave. There we go. And you can apply that to your drive. Oh, there we go. We've got to do that, haven't we? And you can do that for all of these. Now I'm going to get rid of those now. You just right click on here and click none. Right click and click none. But you can also have your keyboard modulating and affecting the changes on these. I mean, it's not, I'm only using cutoff here. You can do it in pretty much all of these things, controllers. This one is keyboard. So if I drag my keyboard across to the cutoff, there we go, put it up. Now what this does is the higher the note or the lower the note, you work your way up the keyboard, it determines where your cutoff is. So you can see my keys are affecting the note, pitch, but they're also affecting the cutoff. There we go. And similarly, this one is the aftertouch. In fact, I'm going to remove the aftertouch and I'll remove the keys as well. This one is the pitch wheel. So what that does is your pitch wheel will obviously affect the pitch of the note, but it will also affect the cutoff. There we go. So that is pretty much how these work. Similarly, I'll remove that one. We have got, these are attack, decay, sustain and release. So these are determining the attack of any parameter that you apply it to. So again, I'm just going to apply it to a cutoff, and I'm going to have a slow attack there for the cutoff. Let's go slower. There we go. You see how, you can see how it applies the cutoff slowly. Let's have a really quick attack there. An immediate application of the cutoff there, and you can have your your decay and your release and all that business, and you can apply these to multiple parameters anywhere you want, which is a great way to kind of remember to do this, by the way. Don't do what I did and forgetting it. So that's that. I'm not showing you everything here, but that's how to make changes and really kind of add some modulation and have these various parameters just change the quality of your sound and what happens to it. Good luck, all the best.